Good morning, everybody. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversaries of two of our great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi ji and Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. I request the headmaster of our school, Shri Parolkar sir, to garland the photos of our leaders. Thank you, sir. As you all know, today we are celebrating 151st birth anniversary of our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji. We also know him as Bapu. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. We celebrate this day to pay tribute to him. He devoted his life for India's independence by using strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact, in the whole world, this day is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. He has gone through a long struggle so that the people of India can breathe in an independent nation. He formed Indian National Congress and led nationwide campaigns, satyagrahas for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic unity, ending untouchability, and above all, for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the title Father of the Nation, Rashtrapita. And every year, to pay tribute to our Rashtrapita, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister and President of India gathered at his Samadhi to offer flowers. His favorite bhajan, Raghupati Raghava Rajaram, is also sung on this occasion. He did great works all through his life, which has great impact on the people in this modern era. People of India will always remember him, his teachings of truth and non-violence. Thank you. I would like to request Mrs. Manisha Naik to say a few words on Shastri ji. Respected Headmaster, Shri Sudesh Parolkar sir, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students, good morning to you all. We have gathered here to celebrate both anniversaries of two of our national leaders, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. We believe in peace and peaceful development not only for ourselves but for people all over the world. These are words of our second Prime Minister of independent India, Lal Bahadur Shastri. He has several achievements to his credit. Known for his acumen and planning skills, Lal Bahadur Shastri promoted white revolution and green revolution in India, boosting the food production in the country. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughalsarai, a small railway town 7 miles from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. His father was Shada Prasad Srivastav and mother was Ram Dulari Devi. His father was a school teacher who died when Lal Bahadur Shastri was only a year and a half old. So he had a happy enough childhood but of poverty. As he grew up, he became more and more interested in country's struggle for freedom from foreign yoke. He was greatly impressed by Mahatma Gandhi. Shastri's thoughts and philosophy also reflected the influence of personalities like Swami Vivekananda and Annie Besant. Right from 1920s, Shastri was widely known for his role in India's freedom struggle. Interestingly, Lal Bahadur Shastri shares his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi. So today we are celebrating his 116th birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was just 16 years old when Gandhiji called upon his countrymen to join the non-cooperation movement. He decided at once to give up his studies and to join the freedom movement. His decision had actually shattered his mother's hopes because of the poverty, but he had made up his mind. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi marched to Dandi and wrote the Imperial Salt Law. Lal Bahadur Shastri threw himself into the struggle for freedom with feverish energy. He led many defiant campaigns and spent a total of 7 years in British jails. When the Congress government was formed in 1946, after the independence, Lal Bahadur Shastri was called upon to play a constructive role in the governance of the country. He was appointed Parliamentary Secretary in his home state of Uttar Pradesh and soon rose to the position of Home Minister. He moved to New Delhi in 1951 and held several portfolios in the Union Cabinet: Minister for Railways, Minister for Transport and Communication, Minister for Commerce and Industry, Home Minister, and during Nehru's illness, Minister without portfolio. He resigned his post as Minister for Railways just because he held himself responsible for a railway accident in which many lives were lost. The unprecedented gesture was greatly appreciated by Parliament and the country. He became Prime Minister in 1964 after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru. He led the country during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. His slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, became very popular during the war. In a dedicated service to the country, he came to be known as a man of great integrity and competence, humble, tolerant, and with competence, with great inner strength and resoluteness. He was a man of people who understood their language. He was a man of vision who led the country towards progress. Unfortunately, he died mysteriously on 11th of January 1966 at Tashkent, Uzbek, Soviet Union. Lastly, I would say just this thing. पैदा हुआ उसी दिन जिस दिन बापू ने था लिया जन्म. पैदा हुआ उसी दिन जिस दिन बापू ने था लिया जन्म. भारत पाक युद्ध में जिसने तोड़ दिया दुनिया का भरम. भारत पाक युद्ध में जिसने तोड़ दिया दुनिया का भरम. एक रहा है भारत सब दिन सदा रहेगा एक. एक रहा है भारत सब दिन सदा रहेगा एक. युगों युगों से रहे हैं इसमें भाषा भाव अनेक. युगों युगों से रहे हैं इसमें भाषा भाव अनेक. आस्था और विश्वास अनेकों होते हैं मानव के. आस्था और विश्वास अनेकों होते हैं मानव के. लेकिन मानवता मानव की रही सदा ही नेक. लेकिन मानवता मानव की रही सदा ही नेक. कद से छोटा था लेकिन था कर्म से बड़ा महान. कद से छोटा था लेकिन था कर्म से बड़ा महान. हो सकता है कौन गुणों वह संस्कृति की संतान. हो सकता है कौन गुणों वह संस्कृति की संतान. थैंक यू वेरी मच.